Today's video, we're going to be doing a alternator. I already took it out, so I'm going to show you guys the steps on a, what year is this? What year this crap is. This is a 2010 Chevy Enclave, I believe. I forgot the name of this crap. Buick Enclave, sorry. 2010 Buick Enclave. Alternator in here today. Already took it out, so let me just show you guys the steps because it's supposed to take about 3 hours, but it did not take me that long at all. It took me every bit about 45 minutes to get it out after you figure it out. So what you want to do first is you want to take out your fuse box. Fuse box going to be right here. I'm going to take out the fuse box, set it up here somewhere, and then you don't have to, but I recommend you do it. Take out. First, you gotta take off your hose. The hose goes from right here to the radiator. Literally, take that hose off, and then up under that hose, there's this motor mount bracket. The bracket has 2 screws, 1, 2, and it has the 1 screw for the middle of the motor mount, and the other one right there. Take off the bracket. You don't have to, but for me, it gave me a lot more space, and I can see a lot better down there. So take all that out of the way. As you can see, I don't even have to take this all the way out. So you take that out, and then what you want to do is you want to come to the bottom, because that's the only way that you want to take the belt out. Come to the bottom. There's a tensioner right there. You want to take the belt off, and then where the alternator sits at right there, there's a side screw that's right there, and that side screw is going to have a pulley on it that you have to take off. This pulley goes onto that side screw that goes into the side of the motor, and you have to take this pulley out. So it's 15 millimeter. You unscrew it all the way out, but you can't get it out yet because it's going to hit the firewall right here. It's going to hit the firewall, so you just unloosen it as much as you can to where it's loose enough, but it just won't come all the way out. Then you have 2 screws right here at the top, 1 and 2. You take those 2 nuts off, and then the best way to do it is to take this whole stud out. Where is it? Right here. I took the whole stud out because if you don't, it'll just sit here and you'll be trying to pull it all day, but it's going to keep hitting this hose right here. That's the AC line. You don't have to mess with that. So just take this 1 stud out. This is 7 millimeter. It literally took me 2 seconds to take it out. Take off your back. Take off your battery cable in the back. And once you want to loosen that and take the battery cable off, it's going to slide right forward. You're only going to be hanging on this one. You can turn it up. You can turn it upwards, and then that one you can get the screw out of the side. Oh, god dang it, dropped it. Anyways, once you get this, once you get the stud out, it'll turn sideways. You can take the screw off of there that has the pulley on it. Put that down, and then it slides right off. Literally comes out through the side. Boom. Simple, easy, done. And another thing that I did to make this a little bit more easy after I took the motor mount off, I jacked the motor up a little bit. It's not going to go up as high, but it's going to go up a little bit high to give you a little more space. So when you do turn this sideways, it'll come out. The screw will come off a lot easier. So I jacked the motor up. Make sure you use a wooden block so that you don't bust the oil pan, because it is aluminum. You don't want to jam that up. That's a whole another $500-600 bucks. But make sure you use a wooden piece. I jacked the motor up. The thing slid out through the side and came right up. Literally about 45 minutes. It's supposed to take 3 hours. Nah, not this way. And another thing you want to do is take the reservoir out the way and unloosen this 1 screw. It's going to go right here. It's going to go on top of the reservoir. This goes to the other AC line. Unloosen this 1 screw. There's another one right there. 2 screws. It comes right out. Literally very easy. It's not hard at all. But the only catch to it is that you have to take this stud out. You have to. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting all day trying to get this thing off, and it's never going to come off this 1 stud. So, make sure you guys do that. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. We're on a journey to doing big things, and I need you guys' help. So, thank you. And, yeah, that's the end of that.